Alright, y'all. This one is going to be for that vacuum geek here on YouTube. I recently grabbed this Hoover Rewind out of my storage unit. And yeah, basically that vacuum geek wants it. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and run it. I know for a fact this thing, I believe this thing is the one with the bad roller. Because if I'm remembering correctly, it does have the bad roller. Whoops, got it wrapped around the tan wind tunnel there. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's off. Let me go ahead and... Well, hang on while I pick that up. Alright, I don't know why that was put up there, but okay. Time to continue. Here we go. And yeah, here's this. Well, here's this, I mean. Uh-oh. Let's see here. I don't recall this one having a... It doesn't have a blocked filter either. Uh-oh. Hang on. I gotta get this back together. Okay, take two, because there was a blockage. Yeah, I hear the brush roll rattling. Yeah, like I said, the roller brush is bad, and now I know it needs a new belt. But, yeah, it had a little bit of a blockage, but I easily dug that out with a screwdriver down there. This one isn't in too bad a condition, but yeah, I just turned on the light up there. But yeah, it's definitely in some slightly rough shape. It does have the turbine tool and everything here, which is wrapped with hair, but looks like it wasn't used very much. It doesn't look like. Yeah. Some of what's in here is some of what came out of it. But yeah, other than the blockage, there was really nothing else wrong with it other than the roller brush. So yeah, there's the Hoover Rewind. That vacuum geek, if you're watching, yeah, I guess you can have this. Just shoot me a message and maybe we can work out a price, because like I said, I don't really like this style of Hoover because it's just not me. I mean, this is more of what I'd rather have. The wind tunnel premium here. Let me check if this thing needs a bag, because I know the Air Extreme needs a bag. Yeah, this one's got a bag. So yeah, for everyone else, including that vacuum geek, Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't already. And until next time, bye, y'all.